Alright, it's time to count the numbers using Abacus. We learned, upper bead equals 5. Each lower beads equals 1. Abacus takes value. When bead is moved near the beam, beads that are away from the beam takes 0. Now, no bead is near beam, so Abacus value is 0. Let's set 1. Move 1 earth bead up. Abacus is set to 1. Move 2 earth beads up. It's 2. Move 3 earth beads up. It is 3. Move 4 earth beads up. It is 4. Did you notice right hand thumb is used to move beads up? Yes, use right hand thumb to move lower beads up in this rod. And use right hand index finger to move down. Do it yourself. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us move on to 5. For 5, move upper bead towards beam. Note, lower beads are away from beam. Let's do it again. 5. Did you notice, right hand index finger is used for upper bead? Let's set 6. Move 1 earth bead and heaven bead towards beam simultaneously. It's 6. Move 2 earth beads and heaven bead. It is 7. Move 3 earth beads and heaven bead. It's 8. For 9. Move 4 earth beads and heaven bead towards beam. Another note, move beads together whenever possible. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Let's play a quiz to practice the numbers 0 to 9. Ready.
Find out the abacus value. This is 1, right? Okay. Let's see the next one. How many are near the beam? 3 beads. So abacus has 3. Next, let's count the value of the beads. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Answer is 9. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4. Now, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's again 9. This is 5. Isn't it? Okay. Next is 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer is 8. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3. Answer is 3. It's 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer is 8. Five, 6. Answer is 6. Now move beads for the numbers given. First one is to set 6. Move upper bead and 1 lower bead near beam. 5, 6. Okay. Next set 9. Move upper bead and 4 lower beads near beam. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Set 6 again. 5, 6. It's 1. Move 1 beat up. It's 2. Set 2 by moving 2 beads up. It's 8. 5, 6. 7, 8. Move bare beam. Set 3. 1, 2. 3. Right. It's 8 again. Move upper bead and 3 lower beads near beam. Set 3. 1, 2. 3. It's 1. That's a fun. Isn't it? Do you enjoy this fun? Yes, I too as much as you. Let's move on.